If you're looking for a healthy, easy dessert that's gluten-free, look no further. It's my simple, healthy raspberry gluten-free crisp. It is sure to please. So easy to make, you're gonna love it.
Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes, and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe.
Okay, you guys, here are all the ingredients you'll need for this easy, healthy raspberry crisp. Of course, raspberries, organic sugar, coconut palm sugar, a little cornstarch, cinnamon, lemon juice, vegan butter, rolled oats, gluten-free flour. Now let's get started. Add the raspberries to a large bowl, sprinkle in the sugar, and dust lightly with cornstarch. Give it a gentle toss. The berries will start looking glossy, look at this, and then add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Toss it again and set that aside while you make the crisp. In another bowl, combine cold vegan butter with rolled oats, add in the gluten-free flour, cinnamon, and coconut palm sugar. Use your hands to crumble everything together. That makes it super easy. You want a soft, sandy texture with little buttery clusters. That's what gives you that perfect golden crisp. Now spoon the raspberry mixture into your ramekins. They are already looking so vibrant and festive. I'm so excited. Top each one generously with the crisp mixture. That's where all the texture and flavor comes, so don't hold back. Now set the ramekins on a parchment-lined baking sheet to catch any bubbly juices. Bake at about 375 degrees for 25 minutes. When they come out, they're bubbly, golden, fragrant, and absolutely irresistible. The raspberries turn soft and jammy, the topping is crisp and warm, and the whole kitchen smells like the holidays.
And there you have it, a raspberry gluten-free crisp, just in time for the holidays. Wow, now that is full of deliciousness. Merry Christmas.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.